It's been a long time. Hey, there's Michigan and South Carolina. Mount Pleasant, that's Wilmington. You get some cloud cover. These temperatures, though, 61 in Wilmington, North Carolina. It's January the 14th. Mackinac City's 12, and it feels like it's 7 below. Folks we saw in Drummond are still waiting for the ferry. It's on the opposite side. It's going to be a little while longer. I just switched this up. We're going to start with what's interesting but new and, to be quite honest, kind of nebulous. This signal that's been showing up in the forecast models over the last couple of cycles, a potent disturbance, that boundary we talked about, the leading edge of that cold air that's moving in and then just hanging around the next several days, that gets hung up. But by Sunday morning, it looks like a little disturbance could develop along that, maybe down toward the Gulf Coast, the southeast, or just off the Atlantic coastline. You need moisture, you need cold air, and the lift all at once to generate snow. We may have all of those things in places considerably far off to the south, moving into the second half of the weekend. So I want to show you this air that's cold enough to support a wider coverage of snow. And you're saying, why is the blue shading down that way? It's because this is what the forecast models, the two majors, are spitting out. The Euro is far less enthusiastic, but it has the trends where there's enough moisture in this cold air. That's some snow into southern Georgia. Mixed precipitation, lunchtime on Sunday, down into extreme northern parts of Florida. The GFS more enthusiastic about an area of low pressure developing. That would be one that moves off to the north and east from there. Wider coverage of snow, yes, and that coverage could move up the coastline. So far too early and too far out in time scale to talk in certainty about this, but there's some snow potential showing up from Sunday into the early part of next week, and you do notice that finds its way all the way up the coastline. So something interesting we'll be staring at closely, and it's this dip in the jet stream that even makes it possible, how the jet stream's oriented in that little piece of energy in the mid-levels. You can see it in the mid-level spin here, pivots down from Canada. By Sunday morning, it moves such that that new area of low pressure becomes a possibility. Position, intensity, still giant question marks at this point. Just interesting that the forecast models are starting to signal that. You move farther off to the north, cold air moving over the Great Lakes. That's a much more simple equation. That's all you need to generate lake effect snow. There's a ton of that in the extended forecast, and all the spots with big surpluses, you can expect them to continue. There's the iguana. There's the iguanas. You're going to see more about them coming up. Watch out for falling iguanas. When temperatures tumble in Florida, so do the lizards. We're going to head down to Zoo Miami after the break to talk about this yearly phenomenon. That's when Fox Weather Now comes right back.